In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, hide, or unhide a filter button in a Tableau dashboard. This simple yet effective feature can greatly enhance your dashboard's interactivity and user experience. Let's dive straight into the steps. First things first, open up your Tableau application. If you're not already there, head into your workspace by accessing your worksheet. This is essentially where all of your data and visualizations reside before they get compiled into a dashboard. Navigating to your worksheet from the main Tableau interface is straightforward, and it's the beginning point for setting up your dashboard. Once you have your worksheet ready, it's time to move on to your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You can think of the dashboard as a canvas where you combine various worksheets, controls, and design elements to create a cohesive and interactive display of your data. Now, let's enhance this dashboard by adding a vertical container. You'll want to find this in the Objects section, which usually appears on the left side of your dashboard editing interface. Drag this vertical container onto your canvas. Placing a container helps you organize your layout and makes it easy to add and manage multiple elements. It's crucial at this point to make sure you select the floating option for your vertical container. Setting elements to float rather than be tiled gives you more control over their precise placement on the dashboard. This way you can position your filters exactly where you want them without disrupting the rest of your layout. With your container set, drag any filter of your choice into it. The choice of filter will depend on what kind of interactivity you want to offer your dashboard users. It could be a date filter, a category filter, or anything else that fits your data context. Next, click on the drop-down menu associated with your newly added filter. This menu provides a range of actions, and here you'll find the option to add a Show Hide button. Select this option. What this does is add a toggle button that allows users to either display or hide the filter, thereby keeping the dashboard neat while still being functional. To customize this button, you'll want to click on the drop-down again and select Edit button. This option allows you to tweak the button's design, including the opportunity to add an image to the button. Customizing visuals can make your dashboard more appealing and intuitive. Once you're happy with how everything looks, remember to click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Finally, to test out your new button, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click the button. This action will simulate how users will interact with the button, revealing or hiding the filter on demand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've added an element of interactivity and polish to your Tableau dashboard, all in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy data visualizing.